Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So right here we have the 2022 Everglades Ford Bronco. This thing is absolutely awesome. We're going to start at the front. We have the modular front bumper. We have the 10,000-pound Warren Xeon winch with I guess synthetic rope. It's pretty cool. You don't have to deal with the cable stuff anymore. This Bronco, because of the vents on the differential transmission and the gearboxes in general, you can go water fording about 36 inches. I think it's like 36.2 inches, but roughly 36 inches. Now you'll notice that you have, first of all, on this one you have the desert sand, which is unique to the Everglades Bronco, which is a pretty cool color in my humble opinion. This is roughly the mid package if you look at the features inside. However, it does have a 12-inch screen, which would typically be held for the high package or Lux. Now, as you can see, you have this Snorkel. Now, we have a video on Snorkels coming out. This is sort of a hybrid between a ram air, a vortex, and a wedge tail snorkel. It's really cool. So you have a grill that you can face in the front. That gives you that ram effect. So as you're driving, air is being forced in. However, if you are in heavy snow, heavy rain, you have the option of moving the grill to the back, putting the plate in the front. Now this is, and also dusty as well. So the higher the intake is off the ground, the smaller the particulate for the dust that it collects. The air is cleaner, typically cooler, and it's better than what would be hitting the grill. Now, if you're off-roading with some friends and you're in a dusty climate, give yourself plenty of room. Let some of that dust settle down. Just don't drive, right up behind them, because you're scooping all that up into the air box. The one thing I have not been able to see is underneath the hood in this, how is this ducted? Now, this right here on a Snorkel is called a plenum. The reason why this is here is as air comes in, you have vortices. You have basically air spinning around. Where you have air spinning around, it restricts the flow of free-flowing air, right? So you have vortices here, here, here. As the air dumps into this larger area called a plenum, it allows it to stabilize and basically go into the air box without it spinning, so you have a better flow of going across the filter. So instead of these little vortices in there, if you actually look that up, it's pretty cool technology. All right, so we have the it's kind of like rock rails, a little bit different than what we have on our Badlands, but you do have these steps that bolt on there, which is pretty cool. What I like is the wheels. These are 17-inch. They're unique to the Everglades, just like the Snorkel. And the winch, factory install winch, by the way. The wheels are, I think they're really sharp. They're kind of retro, really modern, but they just fit this Bronco very well. Now, we can't get in it right now, maybe a video later this weekend, and also one underneath the hood. Now, if you remember, the Everglades only is available with the 10-speed 10R60 transmission and the 2.3-liter EcoBoost, which is a great engine. Some theories out there why that's the only engine. We'll leave that up to whatever. So we're not going to touch that today. However, this Bronco does look good. You do have the tow pack on this as well. You can go in a little bit deeper water, but let's face it, 35 inches, 36 inches, that's pretty deep. Either way you cut it. MIC top, just like we have on our 22 Badlands. Let's check out this side. I think, like I said, the color on this one is unique. It's perfect. I like it. And I like the idea that we can bolt these steps on. We can take them off. And you have a little bit different rail system here. It's pretty cool. Now, the Everglades, the topo map. Some people don't like this. I like it. I'm just like on the Raptor where I like the fenders. I like this. It's cool. It's different. I like the font that they use right here. And it's just pretty cool. You got a little Sasquatch right here wading through the water. Check him out there, Becky. So I guess if that's Sasquatch, that's 36 inches, huh? But anyway, this is a map of the Everglades of Florida. And there again, this winch right here, it's hard to get. Well, I think this is the only vehicle, factory Snorkel, factory winch. And very impressive. Also on Bronco, unlike the Raptor, Raptor has the Ford written on the grill. This right here, the Bronco, is in gloss black letter. So you can see it looks like our Badlands grill, except for the gloss black Bronco. There's enough going on with the Snorkel and the winch. They probably didn't want any more, boldness here. I think it looks good. It looks sharp from the pictures. I didn't know how I'd like it. I love it. So anyway, that is the 22 Ford Bronco Everglades factory winch, factory snorkel, 36-inch water fording. This is pretty cool. So this is what you need if you're going to do some overlanding, a lot of four-wheeling with dust, and if you're going to wade through some deep water, this is you right here. Appreciate you watching. Thanks, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for, I guess, who knows what we're going to find here at Super Celebration East in Townsend, Tennessee, 2022.